Little.
Mm-hmm.
Little. J.
I.
Little I. Had
Mm-hmm.
a box.
Very good.
Little A had a box.
Very good. Little I. How about this?
Wait, what? This one?
Up here, Mama. We'll start from the top.
Low.
Read.
Low.
This is I.
I.
What's the first letter, Ava?
L.
It's W, Mama.
So look. L.
I is the first letter, and it's also a word. Then you start the next word.
We.
Uh-huh.
Will.
Will. Very good.
Phil.
Uh-huh.
Phil.
Phil. Very good.
Me.
My. Excellent
My.
try.
Box. Box.
Nice.
Fill my box.
Uh-huh.
Wait, I'm not really like.
Excited, right?
Oh, is that part of this word?
No, it's a new word altogether. And SH make. Mm-hmm.
She.
Good.
Sat. 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 Sat.
Keep reading.
Sat. Sat. Sat.
Said.
Said. Excellent try, self.
Yes. Excellent try, self. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Little
Uh-huh.
I.
Bravo.
Little I.
Uh-huh.
Mom, someday could you, next time I wish that you named me a kind of a letter.
Really? How about toes?
That's not.
Okay, keep reading, please.
Little.
Uh-huh.
We. Little I.
Little I. Okay, stop moving the book so that you can see the words now. Good.
We.
Uh-huh.
I already know that.
Uh-huh. Read it. You know the words, Mama.
We.
Mm.
Win.
When.
Win. Went.
Went.
Went. Sick.
Keep reading.
Keep.
Skip.
Skip. Skip.
Uh-huh.
Skip.
Good. And 3 more words and you're done.
Up.
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 Uh-huh.
A.
Uh-huh.
Hill.